Hello, my name is Callum. Here at Packserv, we're about to test the Heater Agitator Hopper. At the moment, we've got the elements heating up the outer shell water to our set temperature of 70. At the moment, it's sitting about 51. The agitator has been turned on and is mixing up our test mixture of pepper and water. We're about to turn it on and have the product run through our food valve and out through our food pipe nozzle. You can see it's filled quite a nice mixture of pepper and water. It's just falling to the bottom there. It seems to have mixed very well.